County in northwestern New Jersey, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allentown, or 19 miles north of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lansdale, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Souderton, Bedminster, Chalfont, Tinicum, Hatfield, New Hope, Dublin, Flinttown, Milford, Starton, Fricks, Revere, Lumberville, Huntsville, Sargentville, and Pipersville. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 31 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. to the following counties: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, and Montgomery.